Apple's biggest iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro changes have leaked thanks to two new reports, and arguably the most controversial has been exposed by Apple itself. Apple's apparent own goal comes courtesy of its latest iOS 17 beta release, which contains code related to the much rumored, and now seemingly confirmed, action button coming to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max spotted by MacRumors. iOS 17 Beta 4 code lists 9 different functions for the button: accessibility, shortcuts, silent mode, camera, flashlight, focus, magnifier, translate, and voice memos. While all these functions are fairly self-explanatory, the surprise is the sheer number of them. Previous leaks had claimed the action button might support 2 or 3 options at launch, although it remains to be seen how many are accessible at the same time, via a combination of presses, swipes, or gestures. Third-party support is also something that would presumably come in time. The introduction of an action button has polarized opinion, with fans of the mute switch frustrated to see its departure, and the absence of a mute function for the button is unlikely to appease them. Yes, it may come later, but Apple has a long history of leaking upcoming features via iOS updates, and this looks set to be the definitive list for now.